Occupational health and safety, ergonomics. Ergonomics. Ergonomics is the science of fitting the task to the person by designing equipment and apparatus that fits well with the human body and the way that it moves. People come in all shapes and sizes, so when possible, workstations should be designed with adjustable features such as adjustable seats and work platforms, so employees can work comfortably. Failure to do so can result in people stooping, stretching, overreaching and twisting. This can cause muscle fatigue, strain and possibly longer-term damage or deformation. Other factors that should be considered when risk assessing the ergonomics of work activities are the degree of force that is needed to do the job, the environmental conditions, lighting and temperature, adequacy of rest periods, the repetitiveness of the task. Any machine expected to carry out repetitive motions should be regularly maintained and parts replaced as they wear out. Failure to maintain machinery may result in breakdown. People may also be expected to carry out similar repetitive tasks and suffer wear and tear as a result, causing them to suffer permanent damage or being unable to work. Any activity involving high numbers of repetitions should be looked at carefully and redesigned to avoid this as far as possible. Occupations commonly associated with musculoskeletal problems are computer users, checkout operators, dentists and workers on production lines. Remedies. Alternating tasks and work breaks to avoid repetitive strain injuries. Providing comfortable working temperatures and adequate ventilation. Providing sufficient lighting and minimising glare by glazing windows or supplying blinds. Minimising vibration. Mechanising the task. Regular health tests may be necessary and should be promoted by employers. Training will also help employees to be more aware of good practice. Display screen equipment. Display screens cause many instances of eye strain, wrist strain, back problems and headaches. Many of these problems can be addressed by the general remedies listed, plus providing eye tests for regular users of display screen equipment, sufficient desk space to provide support for the forearms and at a height where they are parallel to the surface of the desk, height adjustable seating with back support and footrests available if necessary to facilitate correct posture and comfort, height adjustable display screens to enable them to be positioned so the eyes are level with the top of the screen. They should have filters to minimise flicker and glare, screen controls and be placed to avoid reflections on the screen. Adequate workspace under the desk to allow the operator to change positions. Staff experiencing aches and pains should report them to their employer as soon as they become aware of them.